So today I'm going to explain X window, that is the extension of Red Hat Linux. So after discussion of today's lecture, we will familiarize with X window that is used in Unix, and then we will understand how to use X window on terminal that using some commands. So see what is X window. Basically, X window provides X graphics library that support both operating system as well as application programs. So in this lecture, we will discuss X window support. For most Linux installation, we have a inbuilt X11 version as a library package. So we will begin with brief description of what a graphical user interface, and then later in this lecture we will describe how X window system evolved. So what is graphical user interface? Basically this is used in X window system. There are some standard X clients, there are some hosts, and then we have one selecting host that is used for display purpose. Then we will understand what is X utility, what is a startup, and what is motif, and what is X here stands. So what is graphical user interface? As its name suggests, it is an effect that facilitates availing operating system that will facilitate with the aid of widgets. So there is no need of write complex program. Simply in the icon you have to click and you will get the service. So this features is provided by GUI. So this is the widgets, basically are window and icons which provides us a clue to whatever we may be able to do. So VLC player, on the icon of VLC, if you click, it will automatically play the video. So this is the features of GUI. One of the first well-known GUI was the Xerox Star system, which allow users to have icons for a document page folded at a corner. So this is the first GUI, that is Xerox Star system. Then GUI gives user a capacity that is similar to being connected to the machine from multiple terminals. Basically, so this is all about GUI. Then now we'll understand what is X window system. So this is the evolution of X window system. So first X window system was developed in MIT under project Athena in 1984. The X window system operates on the basis of a client and server architecture. So X window use our client server architecture. There will be some client and there will be some server. They both are communicating with each other. So based on that, X window system operates. Then further, X facilities, it provides operation over a set of networked computers by defining a protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules that are used for exchanging communication between client and server. So there are lots of protocol that you know that is used in TCP IP model. Like in network layer we have various protocols like IP, ICMP, IGMP. These are protocols that are used in network layer like ARP, RARP. Similarly, in transport layer, we use TCP, UDP protocols. So these you already studied in previous curriculum. So protocol replaced function call to let application draw its image in a window. And then this application is now the client and drawing the image that is assigned to server, that is X server. So the clients may be anywhere or communication. The client may be anywhere on a communication network, as almost all manufacturers support X compliant protocols. Then, then what is X server and what is X client we will understand. So basically in X Windows system there we have one X server that will support bitmap display, and this happens as soon as user log on to the machine. Some system may require that the user has to initiate the X server operating by giving a X start command. So using X start command, X server will be initiated. You can use either X start command or you can use X init command. So on my setup, I use X init run command file to customize my display terminal. So using this, you can display your terminal. So usually X clients are programs that communicate with one or more X server. So X client, it is used for communication with X server. There can be one X server or there can be more than one X server. So then we will understand what is window manager. So metaphor of desktop is important for the user. So user may choose to activate one of the tasks from menu on his disk. The window manager are designed to provide this illusion. So window manager, it provides facility that can support such desk oriented operation from the view on the screen. So X server supports this display, and this happens as soon as user logs onto a machine. If user login in machine, then it will provide display. It is provided by window manager. So this is also one of the feature of X window system. So now we'll go for next slide. See, so there are some well-known window manager like Motif window manager. Then we have another Toms window manager. So then we have another TVWM, where V is the virtual. Then we have OpenLook window manager. Then we have Suns OpenLook window manager. So these are the popular window manager. It will basically display the screen. So these are, now we'll understand what is X client. So basically we already understand X window is used based on client server architecture. So there will be some X client, there will be some X server. So basically Unix, it provides facility in the form of clients. So that what is the purpose of client? It is used to find some specific service. That service are provided by the server. So there are some terms that are used with X client. There will be X clock, there is X beep, then there is X terms. So these are the terms that is associated with X client. What is X clock? This is a clock display. So it is possible to have a numerical clock or analog clock, or we will have digital clock, or you can say this that will display the current time. So for that purpose it will use X clock. Then there will be X beep. It will show arrival of a new mail like that, or it will display mail status with a flag up. If flag is down, that means mail is not sent. Flag is down, means flag is up, that means mail is received. So this is provided by X beep. So this is supported by X client. Then there will be another term, that is X term. So it provides new terminal window. As its name suggests, this is term. So this is a terminal window. So if there is C option, then window can receive and display console message. C for console message. Then next is what is the X utility. So this is the Unix system that provides a command. X also has a suite for command that provides some utility. So these are the utility that is provided by the X window, like X clock, X host, X font cell, X Kelsey. So this will provide calculator. X clock, it already explained. Then X host, it will list the host. Then X font, so it will list font as well as font names. So these are the another X utility commands like xload, xmag, xpr, xrdb, xterm, xwd. So these are the X utility that you have to understand. Next, these are the references. Raw SSH, Red Hat Linux. You can use this book for understanding. Then there is a, you can read from this website home.iitkharagpur.ac.in. Here all the details about this is available. So today we understood what is X window, what is X client, what is server, what is X utility, and what is the when X window is developed. This is developed in 1984 by MIT. So basically X window is based on client server architecture. There can be more than one client that is associated with server. So there are some protocols that are used, so you have to understand protocols also. So today, so if you have any query, you can ask me at this email ID abhaykumar@galgotiauniversity.edu.in. Thank you for your attention. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the mail. Okay. In next class, we'll understand next part of the second unit. So in first three lectures we already completed. In second, we understand some commands of the Red Hat Linux. Then today we understand what is the concepts of X window. So in next lecture, we will understand some more details of the Linux, that is Red Hat Linux. Thank you class for the lesson.